What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. We're about to hop right into this look. So you already know we start with the ball cap. I already have it glued down, and I'm just applying makeup to her ball cap. And then I like to hot comb my lace fronts back from the hairline, especially if it's already like been worn. So right now I'm putting the wig on, making sure everything fits, putting the same makeup on that I put on the ball cap onto her lace. And now I'm about to prep her skin. I'm going to clean her forehead off with 91% alcohol, allow that to dry, and then I'm applying a skin guard, and then I will allow that to dry. And then I'm now going to apply 4 layers of lace glue, allowing each layer to dry completely, and then I'm going to lay the lace down. Alright, and after the 4th layer has dried, I'm now going to lay the lace down. And y'all see her just keep picking her phone up. That's because we're making a TikTok. So y'all follow us on TikTok. It will be in the description below, so you can go see the video we made. Alright, and now I'm cutting off the excess lace. And before I melt her down again, I am going to pull out my baby hairs. Alright, and as she is melting down, I'm going to get into styling. So to achieve this look, I did go ahead and one curl her hair, and then we did a half up, half down in the front. And you guys will see how I did it.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remix it for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be coming up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a goal, talking matching Lambos. 56 a gram, mama, man, I swear I love her, how she with the info. Hit the strip club, we be letting the bands go. Everybody hate you, we just call them fans though. And love with the money, I ain't never letting go. And I get high with my baby. I just love the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I be in the kitchen, cooking pies with my baby, yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I just love the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I be in the kitchen, cooking pies with my baby. I never stop on my track quick. Cause all we know is biz, I just might snatch a Ferrari. And by my bull and lamb, I just might snatch a ridiculous drop a couple on the way. She ain't rolling for nothing because I got her everything is fixing up on the bed. Don't remind me where I can go. Really look up the stairs, though, kind of hell in a
Alright, and as I'm finishing up her styling, I'm now going to get into doing her baby hairs and then get right back into styling.
I TD bangers on what? My TD bangers on Kylie. Tribeca in the lobby. All these niggas getting dodgy. When we see them, it's a party. Fabi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski. Ball in the summer like Julie. Champagne got me loopy. Lizzie Bob looking groovy. All the demons looking moody. Hey, 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 move, get out the way long. Say the wrong thing, you get shot in your face. Yeah, Fabi, lace, put up, sneak place. Yeah, if you a gangster, then you gotta relate. She gotta fix it, get a mistake. Pay for the food, you want to date. Hey, game, great. She let me know her face. Hey, every time she lean, she come with an A. Bow, viral. You ain't never make a movie with Drake. Bow, sponsor. I take a perk, now turn to a monster. I'm in the call like I'm sorry, your honor. I killed the op, I ain't catching no karma. Yeah, I killed the op, I ain't catching no karma. Fabi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski. Ball in the summer like Julie. Champagne got me loopy. Lizzie Bob looking groovy. All the demons looking moody. Hey, I'm a demon in the night, and I'm a shark above the water. I got shooters in New York, and I got shooters across the border. I go drink until I'm over. Hey, I go drink until I'm over. And then we walk up high order. I got them way they say that I'm gifted. Say that so I'm giving out gifts then. Highway, me and Bobby who lived there. London, man, I need me a dick pic. And a Louis bag, just so I can fit me the grippin'. I got the swag, tell me the different. My commit, but believe they fit it. She wanna but I ain't with it. Headshot, knock boop is fitted. Push them out, take a boy to the distance. Took a Henny, it better be privileged. Ayy, what? Fabi, Sosa, viral, movie. I'm in this bitch with the wooski. Ball in the summer like Julie. Champagne got me loopy. Lizzie Bob looking groovy. All the demons looking moody. Hey, hey. It's me against the world, baby. I got nothing to lose. It's just me against the world. Stuck in the game. Me against the world, baby. Can you picture my prophecy? Stress in the city, the cops are topping me. The projects full of bullets, no bodies is dropping. There ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving while making millions. Witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in the abandoned buildings. Carries the children cause they illin'. Addicted to killing and the appeal from the cap villain. Without feeling, but when they last, so be blasted. Hard-headed bastard. Maybe you'll listen in this casket. The aftermath. More bodies being buried. I'm losing my homies in a hurry. They relocating to the cemetery. Got me worried. Stressing my business blurry. The question is, will I live? No one in the world loves me. I'm headed for danger. Don't trust strangers for one in the chamber whenever I'm feeling this anger. Don't wanna make excuses, cause this is how it is. What's the use unless we're shooting? No one notices the you. It's just me against the world, baby. It's just me against the world. It's just me against the world. Cause it's just me against the world, baby.
Alright, and after I'm done curling, I'm now going to do her baby hairs.
Right now, I like the size, babe. It's enough, but But look who's here so far from the tip. The reason I'm rich, cause I had to go and just fix my percentage. You know that I'm winning. I white girl got black on the nigga, no head up. Bad ones outside, ones out down. I would do anything they make sure I'm not in last place. If I wake up, don't make my money, that's a sad case. 2,500 on my shirt with the tax. I want it that way. I want it that way. I want it that way. Whoa, I want it that way. I want it that way. I want it that way.
Alright, and now I'm just fluffing out some of them curls. And y'all, that is the look. Okay, book the look. But y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. I love each and every one of y'all. But I will see y'all in my next video.
Run with snakes and bits and shit. I go head on all blue like you play for Michigan. Bitches ball, harbor shots, never kissing them. None of my niggas damn bad, they all positioning. I'm on the left, going wrong.